Creating checks one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your check data is already in Excel, CSV, bank files, expense reports, or another accounting system. Instead of entering each check manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import check data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to bulk import checks into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now, choose the QuickBooks transaction or list type. For this example, select Checks. Next, browse and select your prepared check file from your system. If you need a clean file format, you can click Sample Templates and prepare your check file using the SaasAnt template. Here, I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. Once the file is added, continue to the mapping screen. SaasAnt will automatically map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks check fields. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields such as payee, check date, bank account, expense account, check number, and amount are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, check the data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to control the date format, transaction reference number, matching transactions, and other import preferences. Review the settings based on your file and QuickBooks setup. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the checks into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the result summary. Here, you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors if any. If any record fails, review the error message, fix the issue, and re-import the corrected records. To verify the imported check, click the QuickBooks link from the results screen. SaasAnt will open the specific check inside QuickBooks Desktop. You can also download the import result for your records. If you imported the wrong file or noticed an error after import, use Undo to roll back the imported checks and keep your QuickBooks records clean. That's how you can bulk import checks into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.